everyone, welcome to Food and Fitness. The video is about what is fitness, what are the common misconceptions about fitness, what is our food lifestyle today. So, here I am going to convince you that fitness is not about appearance or weight. It is more important than weight. It is about being more active and how we are strong enough physically and mentally. Many of us fascinated by how we look. I would rather say that it is an illusion fed by the advertising industry, the media, the fashion world, or by the multi weight loss industries. The illusion is that for women, being skinny is fitness, and for men, being muscular is fitness. Almost everyone prizes people who have a skinny appearance, but we do not realize how much they got through a very unhealthy, restricted diet. I am not saying diet is not healthy. The point is that an unbalanced diet is bad for health. Starve with hunger is not a good option. Almost everyone obsessed with fat and sugar in food. Avoiding fat or sugar in food becomes trendy now. But we all know the fact that certain amount of fat glucose that is needed to be healthy. When it comes to diet, green tea is the most popular drink in weight loss. But you know the fact the regular consumption of green tea will not work well for the overweight. It might contain some weight loss stimulator that just slightly increases the metabolic rate. To my honest, I have tried it. It worked for me well, but it reduces my stamina level to a greater rate, and I started to feel tired very often. Then I realized I forgot the thing that the importance of my health inside, and I changed the perspective about fitness from fatness. The priority is not on the appearance, it should be on the functional fitness. Do you need a long time to exercise? No. It is about quality and pace, not about duration. Just 15 minutes of high intensifying workout is highly effective. It will make you active throughout the day. Being fit protects our body from injuries, reducing stress, obesity, blood pressure, and improves mental health. Brisk walking is a great way to start. It strengthens your bones, joints, maintain good heart health, and burning calories. If you are a yoga person, Surya Namaskaram will be the best option. Let's talk about food lifestyle today. Food is more important factor in fitness. What is our modern relationship with food? We are living in a lifestyle that fails to support our health. The food we are taking has the way to many chronic diseases. Once was a loving relationship is now turned into the war. We are sacrificing our money, resources, energy, and time in fighting with bad food. In the end, health and body suffered. Do you believe if I say we are outsourcing the food to someone stranger? They are processing food with artificial flavor, color, fat, and attractively arranged on the shelves. Someone far away from us deciding what we should eat. We all forget about the love and care that we have received from our parents. If you are tired of fighting with food and if you want to fix the relationship, then the time is for you. Join in celebrating the magic of fragrance from the kitchen. We almost forgot the fact that perfect does not exist, but happy and health does. Instead of making a goal for a perfect body or a perfect dress or look, it is about more active. Get out of your comfort zone and start with simple exercise. It might hurt at the beginning. That is okay. Sometimes it is safe to be in this comfort zone, right? It will eventually become a habit. One day, maybe find yourself end up with a marathon and you would feel like awesome. Be ready to enrich your life. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about fitness. Thank you for watching it. Have a great day. Keep smile and be active.